We have this interesting geometry question today, and in this we are given this white square. Can you see this white square? And there is some part in this square which is in white color. We need to find that percentage of white color. What percentage of square is in white color? We need to find that. So let's see how we can find that. You can clearly see that these two are equal quarter circles. Yes, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, right? So these two are quarter circles and equal to each other, correct? So I'm assuming the radius of each one of them as a. Okay, the radius of each one of them is a. So if this is a, this will also be a radius, this will also be a, correct? Now let's do that construction. So I divided the square in two halves, okay, horizontally. Now I will be dividing this square into two halves again, but this time vertically. So like this, we will be dividing it into two halves again. Now what all things we have got, let's see. Like we have two equal quarter circles here at the bottom. These two are also equal quarter circle with radius a each, correct? With radius a each. If radius is a, what will be the side of this white square? The side of this white square will be a plus a, 2a, correct? That will be of no use, you will see ahead. Now we need to find the percentage of white color. So what we can do, we can send, please see, this quarter circle is equals to this quarter circle. This quarter circle is also equals to this quarter circle. Yes, because the radius is a. Here also the quarter circle, the radius is a. Yes, they are same. They are equal to each other, these quarter circle. So what I can do, I can send this white colored area here. I can send this white colored quarter circle area here. Okay, let's send this. Now, since you have shifted this white color here, this will become blue. Yes, this will become blue in color. So let's make this in blue color. Now, what we have done on the left hand side of the square, we will be doing on the right hand side. We will be shifting this white color here. This will become white and this will become blue. Yes, so let's do it. Now, since we have shifted this white color here, this will become blue like we did on the left hand side. Now, as we have shifted this white color bottom on both the sides, right side and left side, now it is very easy to understand how much percentage of the square is in white color. We can clearly see that. Yes, we can clearly see that 50% of square is in white color, is in white color, correct? We can clearly see that. So no need of any calculation. We can say that 50% of the square is in white color, or we can say 50% of the square is in blue color, correct?